Are you finding it hard to review all of your lectures? Well, don't complicate matters, let's take it easy. Sa dinabi-nabi ng pinag-aralan mo at ngayon ay hindi mo na alam kung paano matatandaan lahat, I've got some tips for you. Okay, so simplihan lang natin, buddy. Alam naman natin na we are no more focused on technology. And it really has a huge part in our lives. At nakakalungkot na yung ibang students masyadong nagre-rely sa mga ito. Napakalaking issue sa mga students ngayon ay paggamit ng AI-generated, specifically the ChatGPT. But I have to tell you something, hindi naman masama ang paggamit ng mga yan. Ang masama lang ay yung the way na gamitin natin sila. So, tandaan nyo na we should use them for a guide and not for a product. Ano yung ibig kong sabihin? Pwede natin sila gamitin to leverage our time. Pwede kang humingi ng tulong para magka-idea ka sa mga gagawin mo, but don't rely on them. Na sila na mismo yung papagawain mo ng mga schoolworks mo. That is totally wrong. Kasi mawawala na ng quality yung pag-aaral. Payag ka ba maganda yung gawa mo pero hindi mo kayang i-explain? Syempre hindi. So it's just a piece of advice. So ngayon, paano mo ba mare-review yung isang damakmak na lessons na yan? Lalo na kung need mo ng memorization. Pwede kang magpatulong kay ChatGPT. But in what way? I'll give you an example. So if you have lectures like this, pwede mo siyang i-copy, tapos i-paste mo siya sa ChatGPT. And then request ka, please provide me a multiple choice question for this lecture with an answer key. Ayan. So one way para makapasa ka sa test, ay i-test mo na yung sarili mo. Bago pa man dumating yung mismong exam, para familiar ka na sa concepts at ilang beses mo na sila na-encounter. So, may possibility talaga na hindi niya makover lahat. Pero try nyo i-chat, please provide me more questions. After that, i-copy nyo lang siya at pwede nyo na siyang reviewin as many times as you can for a more effective result. Just make sure na nakatago yung answer key at titingnan nyo lang siya kapag i-check nyo na yung sagot nyo kung tama. Again, don't just rely on it. Gamitin nyo lang siya as your guide. Kasi ako effective din sa akin yung gantong pagre-review. Kaso, it takes a lot of time para makagawa ka ng gantong type of reviewer. Kaya thank you sa ChatGPT. So siguro dito na lang muna and I shall see you again in our next video. If you find it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe para ma-notify ka na rin for another tutorial, tips, and motivational advices. Once again, I am your buddy, ang barkada mo sa pag-aaral.